Bekren sikila patai khubor New Delhi nen kamid usketri ketnat kambari Vikram Misri ulaong ba onam sya yakinong Pakistan banwan sya India lingba ki visa hapo jong kesak visa exemption scheme ulaong ru bakino ki visa Sves Kiba la ai hagipo baladeb sya kinong Pakistan la khen ba la pendamno yaki ulaong syu bakino kinong Pakistan ki bedang don mentah India hapo jongka Sves visa ki don por mbasa prakenta ban mikno ne India ula benrap baya kinong aibot ketnat defense military naval but air ha Pakistani High Commission New Delhi kila sya khen kum ki persona non grata.
Pakistani nationals will not be permitted to travel to India under the SARC visa exemption scheme visas. Any SVAS visas issued in the past to Pakistani nationals are deemed cancelled. Any Pakistani national currently in India under SVAS visa has 48 hours to leave India. The defense, military, naval and air advisors in the Pakistani High Commission in New Delhi are declared persona non grata. They have a week to leave India. India will be withdrawing its own defense, navy and air advisors from the Indian High Commission in Islamabad.
Kum kadak jong kajing shim